Self-preserving is the term Lush uses for products that are formulated to stay fresh, effective, and safe to use without synthetic preservatives. We've pioneered ways to reduce and remove preservatives from our products because we'd rather pack them full of fresh ingredients that are naturally derived and naturally beneficial for your skin. Preservatives are biocidal, meaning their purpose is to prevent decay. In some cases, their use is necessary to provide a safe and effective product, or to provide a customer with choice. When Lush uses a preservative, we do so at the lowest concentration at which it is effective. We hope our customers will find a self-preserving product they love. This is because we know that synthetic preservatives can accumulate in our water systems and damage aquatic life forms. The effects on an ecosystem even closer to home also concern us. We're talking about your microbiome, a unique community of bacteria, viruses, and yeasts that have made you their home. Each square centimetre of your skin contains approximately 1 million microorganisms, first inherited from your mother at birth. After 4 to 6 weeks, your microbiome becomes site-specific, meaning different types of microorganism dominate in the moist, sebaceous, or dry areas of your body. These microorganisms form an important part of your skin barrier, competing for food and resources and making it harder for pathogens to move in. The difference between harmless bacteria and a pathogen is believed to be down to the ability of the skin as a whole to resist infection. That's the reason Lush believes in treating your skin with kindness, so it can function to its best ability throughout all stages of your life. We also know that natural exposures strengthen the diversity and resilience of our microbiome. But exposure to modern synthetics like detergents and highly preserved cosmetics is altering it, leading to skin conditions like acne that are rarely found in populations living closely with nature. That's why Lush takes a more natural approach. Our entire business infrastructure is built on making products in small batches, distributing them quickly, telling you when they were made and when to use them by. This enables us to make highly effective products, not highly preserved. We pack our products full of natural ingredients that our skin is familiar with because they have been used to nourish our bodies for thousands of years. Between 2014 and 2022, careful reformulation of some of your favourite Lush products to be self-preserving has prevented over 5 tons of preservative from entering into production, some of which would enter our water systems. Choose Lush skincare and do your skin and the planet a world of good.